Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 Ford Edge. Starting right away up front, you have LED running lights. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with hand-cooked tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top, you have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60/40 split on the rear seats, so you can fold those down if you do need additional storage room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touch screen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escape on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.